Welcome to Unboxing 3. I'm not planning on doing a tremendous number of unboxing videos after this one, although I suppose we'll see what comes and what we may in fact be doing. But anyhow, another Amazon bag. Now, this is actually a project mat. It's got it's effectively a whiteboard too, but it's magnetized. You remember my story about the screw? Well, hopefully this will keep screws from becoming lost. We'll see how that works. All right. Something else here? Oh, okay. Curious. Okay, the box is a T-Mobile box. Always curious to see what eBay purchases come in on. All right. Magic Trackpad. Now this is kind of interesting. I have never been a trackpad user, but a while back I was buying a number of Mac Minis with the idea of upgrading them and flipping them, which I'm still in the process of doing. One of those Mac Minis came with a Magic Trackpad. And I figured, well, okay, there it is. Why don't we hook it up and we'll see if it's of any value whatsoever. And I have to admit, I rather like it. It hasn't completely got me away from using the mouse, but I use it a lot. So I picked up another one, which will be on a different computer. These are both the Magic Trackpad 1, the initial one where you actually put AA batteries into the thing, which actually is fine with me. All right. Now, here's another item. And this one threw me, because it came in a Netgear box for a Nighthawk router. And I'm like, oh my lord, I know I didn't buy anything like that. Did I, as can happen, buy something by mistake and just paid for it thinking it was something else? But no, of course, it's eBay. It's whatever box the seller had lying around. At least I hope. All right. Okay, we're still taped on the side here. No, we're not. Oh, okay. That's where we're still taped. Now, it's a G-RAID enclosure. It's a single G-RAID as opposed to the double, and we'll see what kind of use it. Oh, this is an old one. There's eSATA, FireWire 800, FireWire 400, two FireWire 800 ports. My thought on this was since you may remember if you've been watching these videos right along here, and if so, once again, God bless you. I really appreciate that there are some people who actually do watch these things. Maybe I could scrounge together parts here. Probably not. This is an older version than the other one that was not working, but yeah, let me get some use out of it. And it was really cheap. It was like $10, $15. Yeah, next to nothing. All right. And now, behind me, let's see if we can get the camera angled down so you can get a good look at it here. The big box, very makeshift box with incredible amounts of tape. Wow. Yeah. This is a cobbled together box indeed. All right. Ah. And inside it is an attached box. So yeah, that actually I think is pretty clever on the seller's part. This first box, and there's some packing materials in there, is really part of keeping the contents of the box safe. Good thought. All right. We can ever get into this though. All right. In a bag, in two bags. Let's try to do this carefully. I can use the bags. We do standard trash kitchen can bags. All right. And this is a PowerMac G4. I don't know too much about it. The listing on eBay was a little unspecific, actually, but I'm given to think that this is the 2000 version of the PowerMac G. The PowerMac G4 came in a whole bunch of different versions. The early ones with single G4 processors. This should probably be a dual processor. At least I'm thinking that's what it will be. Because just running it at 450 speed, so that's most likely it. I won't go into great detail with this right here. It's going to, of course, be its own video, and we will explore it in greater detail in that. But I am very excited to get this set up and get this running. It is the first PowerPC Mac that I've had since the fires, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what it can do. I had a very, well, actually no, not quite so similar. I had one before, the old Sawtooth G3, and I had a later one. I think it was the mirror drive doors. I see that there is a PC card in there with an antenna. I don't know if that's going to be AirPort or Bluetooth, probably AirPort, I would expect. And yes, we'll explore it in greater detail, but I'm really quite excited about this one. All right, well, thank you very much for your attention thus far. In just a second, I'll be back with a complete wardrobe change in another day with, I would hope, a couple of more items. Wow, it's tomorrow already. Time for more unboxing. We'll open out the big knife. More Amazon. All right. It really doesn't want to come out of this bag. What's making it so stuck? Okay, there we go. Well, sort of there we go. This is just a really tight fit. There we go. Fine. All right. And it's wrapped up in plastic. See, this is my reaction to dropping and losing that one screw. I got the magnetized project mat. Hopefully, we simply won't lose any more screws. But I also got enough screws to replace many, many, many things. So, yeah, hopefully that'll work. All right. Well, that's obviously not going to just peel open, so I'll take the knife to this too. Too bad, you could conceivably reuse the envelope, but never mind. This be a good thing. Oh! Came with heat sinks. I wasn't necessarily expecting that, but what the heck. We've got RAM for the intact Mac Pro dual case, which is a very, very good thing. Now, I got a set of 4 16 gigabyte sticks because of the RAM that I had left over when I initially upgraded this Mac Pro, and then found that due to the triple channel memory use, it worked way better with only 3 DIMMs for each processor. So, with these 4 plus the 2 that I took out of that, we are good to go. All right, and that'll get popped in there pretty quickly. There's some more upcoming upgrades. I am hoping by middle of next week I'll at least be able to start the final upgrades on that machine to get it to be equivalent to this machine. If not, who knows, maybe a little better. All right. Now, people tape things so effectively. Oh, yes. And in the original box, an Apple Time Capsule. This is the Airport Extreme Time Capsule, which of course looks identical to the Airport Extremes that I had unboxed last week. So this means I can now complete my project of retro home networking, and I will try to get a video out on that just to see how that all works. Will a router and a couple of satellite base stations from 2013 deliver equivalent or perhaps even better wireless networking to what Cox Communications provides? We shall find out. Okay, I don't know how many more unboxing videos I'll do. I suppose it depends on what I get and what might be interesting. But it has been an interesting little bit. So we'll get this video up and then embark on the couple of videos that will be based on the equipment that we have in here. So I certainly hope that you have enjoyed seeing these things come out of their boxes.